Hey, welcome back to another nail design video. Have you ever purchased some gel polish kit and you looked at it and was like, I don't really know what to create with it? Well, I have a design here that I saw on Pinterest and I wanted to recreate it. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm starting off with some gold glitter from Elf Gel because if you really look close enough to this design, it does have gold glitter within this design. Now that my glitter base is cured, I'm going in with F Gel's FS 96 from their winery set. This set is one of their fall syrup collection. You'll see that I put down my green color and I just flow it to wherever I want it to be. And then without curing that layer, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my clear gel and put it on top of the green. I'm gonna create this smoke-like effect without disturbing the green color too much. I'm now satisfied, so I'm gonna go ahead and cure this. Now that it's cured, I'm gonna go ahead and put a thin clear layer on because I'm gonna add some seashell to this. My last video, I talked about some items that I purchased from Amazon and I got these 2 seashell kits with it as well. So I'll be using one of these kits for this design. I'm not going to think too much about it. I'm just going to start laying them down and creating some kind of pattern to my liking. And then once I'm satisfied with how it looks, I'm just going to go ahead and cure that. Alright, now everything is cured and secured. We're going to go ahead and add another layer of green. So when we look at this picture, we can tell that there's green on top of these seashells. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. I'm not going to cover every single seashell because we still want that reflective pearl to kind of come through. So I'm just going to go ahead and just dab it wherever. And then we're gonna go ahead and do another clear gel on top of that. Again, I did not cure the green gel. I'm just flowing this clear gel on top of it to give it that smoky effect. Now that everything is cured, I went ahead and filed the nail off camera because I want everything to be nice and smooth. So when working with bulky design, make sure that you are filing and buffing the surface to be nice and smooth versus it being rough. I'm going to apply some base coat to seal everything. Going in with Cocoa's Thick Black. And this color is one of their non-wipe color gels, and these type of color gel works so well with chrome because you don't have to mess around with these non-wipe top coats that are clear and you can't see where your design is. I'm just gonna go ahead and draw out my design on where I want all my chrome to be. So I'm gonna start with the top half first and then finish with the bottom half. Once I like the design, I'm gonna go ahead and cure, and then I'm gonna chrome my black. So here I kind of lost the footage where I put the chrome on, but I went ahead and put the chrome on. I'm just cleaning up all the chrome that got into the crevices so that it can be cleaner. Once I cleaned up all the top half of the chrome, I'm gonna go ahead and start my design on the bottom and just kind of sketch it all out. And then once I'm satisfied, cured, and go ahead and chrome that bottom half. So my chrome is on, it is cleaned up. I'm now just top coating to finish this look up. And this is the final look. I did create another nail outlining the seashell to give it a different effect so you can see the difference. Let me know how I did in the comments down below, and was it pretty close to the original? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.